Installation instructions to install beach Roman blinds. Hold the blind up and mark for bracket positions, ensuring that the bracket position will not foul on any mechanism. For face fit, the top of the bracket must be located down the depth of the headrail. Turn the bracket sideways as shown, as this will give the correct distance of 19mm. Install the brackets. Place the headrail of the beach blind onto the brackets and attach. Mark the position of the bottom cleat at least 1600mm from the floor. Install the bottom cleat. The cleat must be installed. It is recommended that this be installed about 200mm above the first cleat. Show the customer how to operate the blind and how to secure the cords for child safety.